Bandit sprinted onto the sandy shore. A mysterious ship loomed in the mist. Could it be real? Bingo and Bluey shouted, "Dad, wait!" Bandit grinned. Could this be the adventure of a lifetime? He climbed aboard. The deck creaked under his paws. Sail ropes swayed wildly. Could this ship be haunted? A map fluttered in the wind. Bandit grabbed it. He whispered, "Treasure lies beyond the horizon." Could they really find it? The ship's cannons roared. Bandit ducked. Crew of quirky pirates laughed. Could danger strike so soon? Bingo and Bluey watched from the dock. Bandit waved bravely. Could Dad survive this wild journey? The ship sailed through swirling waves. Bandit steered boldly. Storm clouds gathered. Could they reach the treasure safely? A glowing island appeared ahead. Bandit shouted, "Land ho!" Crew cheered. Could this be the hidden treasure island? Bandit and crew jumped ashore. Sand sparkled strangely. Bluey whispered, "What is that?" Could magic guard the treasure? They tiptoed into the jungle. Strange creatures lurked. Bandit raised his paw. Could danger be hiding everywhere? Suddenly, sparkling footprints led to a hidden cave. Bandit gasped. Bingo whispered, "Is this the treasure?" Inside, glowing crystals lit the walls. Bandit's eyes shone with excitement. Could this be the legendary treasure? A shadow moved. Bandit tensed. A playful dragon appeared. Bandit laughed. Could the adventure get even wilder? They filled their bags with sparkling gold. Bandit steered the ship back home. Storm clouds cleared. Could they return safely? As the sun set, the shore looked calm again. Bandit whispered, "What an incredible journey." Bingo and Bluey hugged him tightly. "Thank you for leading this magical pirate adventure." Bandit wagged his tail proudly. "And you. Yes, you. If you felt the thrill with Bandit, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.